Babyletto Hudson, which earns the title of the best overall baby crib on the market in 2024. The Babyletto Hudson is simple yet stylish, eco-friendly, and designed to last for years as it transitions from a crib to a toddler bed and eventually to a regular bed. Crafted from sustainable New Zealand pine wood, this crib complements any nursery with its versatile design. The Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 convertible boasts a sleek look, solid wood construction, and a non-toxic finish. It features an adjustable mattress with 4 levels, allowing it to accommodate your baby's growth from sitting to standing independently. One standout feature is the toddler rail, which provides a sense of security similar to a crib while giving your child the freedom to get out safely. This helps ease the transition from crib to bed, offering both safety and comfort for your little one. The mid-century modern design of the Hudson is sleek, clean, and streamlined, adding a touch of elegancy to any nursery. Made from sustainable New Zealand pine, the Hudson is free from lead and other toxic finishes. Its spindles on all 4 sides offer excellent visibility, allowing you to keep an eye on your baby from any angle. This crib's functional frame grows with your child, serving them well from birth through infancy. While the Babyletto Hudson may not be passed down through multiple siblings or cousins, it's an ideal choice for an average-sized family seeking a stylish, high-performing crib. It offers great value, combining designer looks with practical functionality, making it a top pick for any modern nursery. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.